Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. And today we are going to go over a little bit about something you can do as a vehicle owner to kind of do a little bit of self-diagnosis for your car if you have a check engine light, just like you see there. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the engine off, but this little guy here is an ODB II, just like you see there, diagnostic scanner for Android. I don't know if they have it for iOS. I do use both iOS and Androids. I'm always testing phones out. But what you do is you connect this to the bottom of your vehicle, kind of like where most diagnostic mechanics would check and see why you're getting that check engine light, which I already turned off the car, so you won't see it there. But it will give you like a series of information, and then you can go online and Google it and see what part you would need to replace. Now, in my particular situation, I had an error code that said, and I'll tell you in just a minute, I'm trying to read it, bank 1, error bank 1, and it had to do with the catalytic, and there's a sensor that connects to the catalytic. Well, lo and behold, I replaced the sensor and the light went away, and then maybe a few miles after driving it came back on. So I did some more research and come to find out that the way that these sensors go into the stream of the catalytic, they are very sensitive, and even if you replace that, it's still going to give you an error message unless you replace the catalytic. Now that can be $1,000 for you, but come to find out this little part here, and I'll post it in the description below, is supposedly going to save that light from coming back on. So I have yet to install it, but basically it has its own catalytic in there if you look closely, and I'll post more information on the description, and it kind of angles it away from being in the direct stream, so it does still function as a sensor. It just is not right in the middle of the stream of the airstream in the catalytic converter. So what you want to do if you want to do that for yourself, as far as finding out why your check engine light is on, is get this guy, and then in another future video I'll put a little bit more information after installing this part and where you can get it, etc., and see if it actually worked for me, because I don't know yet. I have yet to find out. But this little guy connects to your phone via Bluetooth. You do have to download an app. I forgot the name of the app. I'll put it on there as well. But it is a diagnostic scanner. And basically, if you go to like your auto parts like AutoZone or O'Reilly's or the different auto parts in your area, depending where you live, they'll put something similar to this to your vehicle and tell you what that check engine light actually means, which now you can do yourself. This part here is about $10, and to download and buy the app is another maybe $3 or so. But I will post more information as I go along in this journey, and hopefully that'll make my check engine light go away. But until then, be on the lookout, and I'll go ahead and post more information soon.